Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to create a PO in Yardi Voyager. Open Yardi Voyager and navigate to Purchasing, then click New Purchase Order to begin. Enter vendor info, invoice terms, and allocate the items or expense accounts for each line. Verify quantities, unit prices, and tax codes before saving the PO. Finally, review the approval routing and submit for approval so the purchasing process moves forward smoothly. Start by choosing the vendor for this PO and confirm the address and payment terms. If the vendor is new, create a vendor record and populate tax and bank details. Attach contract documents or W-9s for compliance and note default GL accounts for the purchase. Double-check contact info and vendor codes to prevent mismatches in receiving and invoicing later in the workflow. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life with clear sound and hands-free help, and it pairs nicely with office workflows or background music while you process POs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one you can thank me later. Now let's get back to the video. Add each line item with a concise description, quantity, unit cost, and any part numbers. Allocate each line to the proper GL account and department so expenses post correctly. Include shipping, tax, and discount fields to produce an accurate PO total. Use attachments or notes for specifications and delivery instructions, then save the PO and preview totals before routing for approval to avoid errors later in the purchase lifecycle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.